Hey, today I just bought this device called Lavalier microphone, Boya BY-M1. So I want to compare the difference between the video would use the microphone and the video without using the microphone. I'm curious. I want to see the difference. Okay, so now the video now you are seeing I'm not using any microphone, right? So later I will put the microphone on and then I want to see the difference. Okay, let's wait. Now I want to read this word. So here we have cat, cow, candy, boy, bee, and baby. Okay, and then wait to see the difference. Hello. So now I already put the microphone on again, the BY-M1, and do you see any difference? Right, so okay, I will read this word again. Hello. So this word, we have 6 words. We have cat, cow, candy, boy, bee, and baby. Okay. All right, what do you think? Which one do you like better? The one without the microphone or the one with the microphone?